There lives a lady in London who has a songbird in a cage. She says she loves it very much, her dear little bird in a cage.
Hello everyone! I am very happy and joyful. Do you know why? I have a songbird in a beautiful, wonderful, lovely golden cage. Do you all want to see my precious cage with the bird? I take it as a yes. Here you go. Hello, my little bird. Say hi to everyone. Do you want to hear how it sings? My dear little bird, can you sing a song for us?
I'm a little birdie, cute and fat. I eat seeds and I don't like cats. When I see a cat come out to play, I spread my wings and I fly away. I'm a little birdie, cute and fat. I eat seeds and I don't like cats. When I see a cat come out to play, I spread my wings and I fly away.
I am very tired. Let me take some rest.
Next day,
Good morning, my little bird. How are you doing? Oh, I see some dust on the cage. Let me clean it. I think the cage needs a polish. Let me find the best polish. Hello, Sheila. How are you doing? I have something to share. I have got a beautiful golden cage with a songbird. I am very proud of having it. You should stop one day and look how sweetly the bird sings. Okay, I will catch you at the shopping mall. Bye.
the lady polishes all day long. The care of the cage comes first, while the bird feels hunger and thirst. The cage nearly blinds her with the glitter and shine. But as for the poor bird inside, she never notices how it has changed. For the cage is her glory and pride. A week goes by without water or food, till her voice, once singing so clear, gets weaker and weaker day by day.
What? What happened to my songbird? It seems to be lifeless. Haven't I been taking good care of the cage? Oh, why is fate being so cruel?
The soul of the bird has already left the body. If we neglect to feed the bird in the cage, but keep the cage very clean and shiny, the bird will die. Similarly, if we simply cater to the cage, our body, but neglect the soul, Naturally, we will be depressed and suffer from stress, frustration, hankering, anxiety, and inner turmoil. This is because we are not providing the spiritual food the soul needs. If we think that we only need to take care of our body, we are wrong. The soul must not be neglected. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says that food for the soul is remembering. The most sublime way to remember Krishna in this age of Kali is by chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Let's feed our souls and everyone else's. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Everybody sing. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.